Hello, everyone. Welcome to Centurion Podcast, the official podcast of Centurion University of Technology and Management, Vijayanagaram, Andhra Pradesh. I'm Gautami Tiwari, host of this podcast. Today, we are going to talk about fascinating field of pharmacy. Either you are a student or a curious learner, this podcast is for you. Now, moving forward, let us welcome our distinguished guest, Dr. Himanshu Bhushan Samal, sir. He is principal of School of Pharmaceutical Sciences at Centurion University. Welcome, sir.
Thank you. It is a pleasure to be here to share the pharma education at School of Pharmaceutical Science, Vijayanagaram.
Thank you, sir. Now, let us begin the podcast with questions. We are going to ask you some questions, sir. So, first question, school overview and vision.
Yes, the school overview and the vision. The School of Pharmaceutical Science is approved by Pharmacy Council of India, New Delhi. We are offering a 4-year program that is B.Pharm and a 2-year program diploma in pharmacy, D.Pharm. Come to the vision. Yes, to be a globally recognized center for teaching, research, entrepreneur training in pharmaceutical sciences and to provide healthcare services to the society. We are committed to develop the skilled-oriented and industry-oriented pharma graduate who meaningfully contribute in a pharma industry, research organization, healthcare sector, and regulatory bodies.
That's insightful answer, sir. Now let's move to next question. Program uniqueness and curriculum at Centurion University.
Yes, come to the program uniqueness and curriculum. As this pharmacy program is the science and technology for designing the pharmaceutical dosage form. In pharma program, the graduates have knowledge on how to design the pharmaceutical dosage form, how the dosage form will given to the patient, what is the different quality control test. Come to the curriculum. The curriculum framed by Pharmacy Council of India. If you see the curriculum, it includes some the core subject like pharmaceutics, pharmaceutical chemistry, pharmaceutical analysis, pharmacognosy, and pharmacology. These are the basic core subjects where the students have the practical subject where they will directly involve the basic concept behind all the experiment. They have practice school, they have project-oriented training programs are there.
Such an informative answer, sir. Now, what about labs infrastructure at Centurion, sir?
Yes. At School of Pharmaceutical Science, as per the curriculum, whatever the core subject are there, we have the state of labs for pharmaceutics lab, for pharmachemistry lab, for pharma analysis lab, for pharmacology lab, pharmacognosy lab. In all the labs, we have all the modern equipments like UV visible spectrophotometer, HPLC, dissolution apparatus, disintegration apparatus, Roche fibrilliter, tablet compression machine. Here, all the modern equipments are there. The students practically involved and get the hands-on training in all the equipment so that all the students, all the pharma graduates are industry ready for all the programs.
Thoughtful, sir. What about research, higher studies, and future scope at Centurion, sir?
At School of Pharmaceutical Science, we encourage, we motivate, being a mentor, we encourage the students to involve in various research activity. At Centurion University, which is very famous, known as the skilled university, we have the research center that is Center for Drug Design, where we motivate, we involve the students to do their project work for developing some pharmaceutical dosage form, to develop some cosmetic formulations. Next, come to the higher study. Yes, at Centurion University, at School of Pharmaceutical Sciences, we motivate the student for the GPAT exam, the students who are interested for NIPOR. Also, we motivate the students to enroll in various NPTEL exam. Next, come to the career opportunity, the future scope. Yes, this pharma field is one of the most widely diverse field. If you see the pharmaceutical industry, we have the opportunity of a pharmaceutical production, quality assurance, quality control, regulatory affairs, technology transfer. As a pharmacist, we have the opportunity at a hospital as a hospital pharmacist, as a clinical pharmacist. In marketing, yes, we have the job like medicine representative as a area manager. Also in a clinical research, the opportunity like be a clinical research associate. Also, we have the experience on pharmacovigilance, clinical data management. In pharma program, also opportunity as a drug inspector, drug controller, quality analyst. And the last but the not least, Yes, the pharma students have the opportunity to become an entrepreneur. They have their own startup. Like they can have their own pharmaceutical manufacturing company. They can have their own medicine store as a retail or wholesale.
That was helpful, sir. What about best practices in pharmacy, sir?
At Centurion University, particularly the School of Pharmaceutical Sciences, we have some best practices like we believe on hands-on training, practice-based and experience-based training. We provide three different types of training like summer internship for the hospital, for the pharma industry, for the medical or the hospital. We have a strong mentor-mentee interaction. We have good MOE with some pharma industry, some hospital. We have some online resources like Centurion University Courseware. We have the research center where we explore, we involve the students for do the pharmaceutical pharmaceutical doses for some cosmetic formulation they have to develop.
Thank you so much for such informative and helpful talk. Um, would you like to share any thought or advice with pharmacy students?
Beginning, I told pharmacy is the science and technology for designing the pharmaceutical dosage form. If you have the passionate about medicine, healthcare service, and research innovation, then choose pharmacy as a career at Centurion University School of Pharmaceutical Sciences.
Thank you, sir. I admire your suggestion, and I hope our audience also admire your suggestion. And thank you for giving us your valuable time. And thank you to audience. Stay tuned, stay curious, keep learning. I'm Gautami Tiwari signing off.